let's talk. Well, I will tell you about what we've been doing and what's going on, and just share some thoughts and some recent news. Let's go. First up, one of the most exciting things this spring, we've released our first Wi-Fi 6 outdoor CPE. Not just any CPE, no. This is the legendary SXT Square. Very cool form factor, durable. It stays hidden in plain sight, it doesn't collect snow or whatever. At the same time, if you walk around any major city or even countryside, you will see SXTs everywhere. So yeah, SXT Square, very cool. And there's a new addition. You've been asking for access point mode, so we have added that. But of course the main use case is like connecting tricky locations, sometimes sharing a fast connection with your neighbors. So yeah, SXT Square Wi-Fi 6 out now. Also, we have released some maintenance parts for the ROSE data server. You've been asking what happens if you break the disk tray. So we have those now, and also you can buy some hot swap PSUs, power supplies, sorry. So yeah, just to have some peace of mind. Now, one of my favorite types of products, they don't cost almost nothing, but they can make your life so much easier. Accessories. And this month we've released, even in April actually, this tiny little plastic accessory for the CSS318, something that you can use to click two switches together to mount them side by side in a single 1U rack. So that's very handy. This is a segue. Why am I even bringing this up? Because I wanted to share a very cool YouTube video with you. So there's this guy, Cameron Gray, and he's made a very, very timely video series. He has a home lab, home network, and he's migrating from other vendors to MikroTik. So I know that nowadays a lot of people are switching from all kinds of global brands to European products. But if this is just a first step for you, you're just thinking about it, it can be a bit overwhelming, like, I don't know what I don't know. So looking at someone else, as an example, can make things easier. And Cameron did a great job, an amazing channel. Another cool video that I wanted to share is from another MikroTik YouTuber, MikroTik Masters, a channel that deserves more subscribers than they have, and they've released a real deep dive on Capsman, VLAN and multi-SSIDs. So there's the full setup there, a lot of explanation, a lot of comments. I mean, the video is like 40 minutes or so. You can learn a lot. So I will link those in the description. Now, since you guys reached almost the end of this video, for those who are still here, let's talk a bit about some, I won't say personal stuff, but not really off topic. It's still about MikroTik, but it's not that serious. So this year, one thing that I've been doing, I'm studying in the Latvian Art Directors Club, creative thinking, advertisement, stuff like that. And they give us just these topics to create something on. And one of the topics was MikroTik. So I brought two posters that I've made with me today. Here's one. Just inspired by real life. I have lived like this, and I bet some of you guys have lived like this too. Am I right? And of course, in the long term, this is no way to live, but when you move to a new place, what is the first thing that you set up? The network and the chill zone. So yeah, there's that. And another idea was just being proud of where you come from. And here just some ideas about what Europe has been sharing with the world. Coffee and pizza from Italy, Greek philosophy and the birthplace of democracy, fixed gear bikes, and of course MikroTik. Who doesn't love MikroTik? And by now I'm sure everybody knows that we are from Latvia, a little Baltic country, very Nordic. We have swamps and woods and the sea. But if not, here's a reminder: we are located at it's not the heart of Europe. What could it be? Could it be the head of Europe? But that's Germany, right? So let me know in the comments. Latvia is what of Europe? But please stay civil. But why am I even bringing this up? Here's the trick. What trick? It's not trick. Here's the thing. We want to do some merch contest with you guys. You don't have to be graphic designers, you don't have to be a copywriter, doesn't matter. I believe you have ideas. So the merch store, it needs new, fresh ideas. And I think you guys could help us and win merch coupons and win the opportunity to have your ideas seen globally. It can be anything. You can send us some text ideas, or a drawing on a napkin, or just describe what should be in the merch store. And the best ideas would get the coupons to buy the thing that you've inspired or designed for you and your friends and your colleagues. What do you think about this idea? Maybe it is nonsense. Maybe nobody wants this. Tell me in the comments. If you guys decide that this is a stupid idea, okay, we can do something else. But I think the time has come. Spring, new energy, new ideas. Let's make something fun together. But also on the topic of merch store, you guys have been busy with Spotted in the Wild submissions, you get coupons, but I see one very common mistake. When you pay with PayPal, please check the shipping address, check all the details twice, maybe even 3 times, because MikroTik is not shipping merch. We are not making it, we just provide the designs, we don't even get any money from it. It's just out there for you to have something fun to wear and share. Now, when you write us that you've made a mistake in the delivery address, it's very difficult to fix it, because we have to contact the printful partners, the guys who make it, who make the merch. So just be careful, but if not, we'll always try to help you, but just yeah, let's all be careful, yeah? Now, finally, what else I have to add is that there have been some leaks going around, because when we went to the MVC exhibition in Barcelona, of course everybody saw the devices, the QR codes, the brochures, and they are going around. I think it's very cool that you are generating the hype, that you are interested in upcoming devices. I just want to tell you that those are not the only upcoming devices, so stay tuned, subscribe to the newsletter. We are never spamming. If there is not enough cool stuff that we are ready to release, we will just skip a month, no newsletter. So don't be afraid to spam your email, we're not like that. So please subscribe, keep commenting, let me know what you think about the merch contest idea. I am almost ready to announce it, but I want your thoughts. Do you want to do this or not? Let me know, and tell me also what is missing from the newsletter format, because every time on the forum people discuss the news itself, like the products, the new videos and so on. But maybe something is missing, like from the format itself. I don't know, maybe some frequently asked questions from the comments, maybe just some the guide or the tip of the month, something like that. Like, what would be something that would inspire you to really read the newsletter? Tell me in the comments, and see you next time.